Did you know that unplanned downtime can cost manufacturers thousands to millions per hour? It's a staggering reality that disrupts production and supply chains, leading to significant financial losses. Apptrix offers robust uptime guarantees, ensuring your operations remain smooth and uninterrupted. With proactive monitoring and redundant infrastructure, we minimize disruptions and keep your business running efficiently. Traditional IT infrastructure demands high capital expenditure. Apptrix shifts this to operational expenditure, reducing costs significantly. Say goodbye to costly hardware investments and hello to financial flexibility. Cloud hosting with Apptrix eliminates the need for expensive hardware. This allows your company to allocate funds strategically, avoiding large upfront costs and focusing on growth and innovation. Apptrix provides a centralized platform for seamless collaboration. Teams can access real-time data, improving decision-making and reducing errors. Enhanced productivity leads to significant cost savings and operational efficiency. With Apptrix, your team can collaborate from anywhere, breaking down geographical barriers. This fosters innovation and accelerates project timelines, giving your company a competitive edge in the market. Apptrix offers advanced security features to protect your data. With built-in redundancy, we ensure rapid disaster recovery, safeguarding your business against unexpected disruptions. By moving to the cloud with Apptrix, you support sustainability and reduce energy costs. Embrace the future of manufacturing with us and unlock your company's full potential today.